Hello everyone and welcome back to the dimension. Friends, today I come with another exciting video about how we can easily create a twin profile connection in a Tekla structure. So let's move in. As you can see, there is one small structure. For this tutorial we already made in this Tekla software, and now we are going to create a twin profile connection between this vertical bracing. General twin profile are using to connect two different angle with a certain plate, and this angle we can also use for the two different member which having some close distance. In order to use this 1026 twin profile connection, we having some reference point. So first we need to create some reference point to place the twin profile plate. As you can see here, we already created a small vertical bracing connection for this tutorial, and the distance between these two connection plate, it's near about, as you can see, 1300 millimeter and 590 700, around 700 millimeter. So placement of the twin profile is also depend upon the design drawing and the distance between the gusset connection. So first of all we need to create some reference point over this twin structure. For that you need to go to the edit section and take the point. Here we are using by default 1 or 2 point. You can see here. Now again go to the point, divide the line points and create one or two different points at a certain distance. So first we need to create a number of points in the twin angle. Then go to the connection and set the UCS as the current UCS. Here we are using by default 12 millimeter back to back distance between the member. So the thickness of this gusset plate should be equal to 12 millimeter, and we are using ISA 90. So the width of this plate, by default we are using 90 millimeter, and material and name of the plate you can define as your required. You can see here the height of this plate is by default equal to the height of the member. Simply just put here the minus 15 or minus 10 millimeter to extend this plate. Generally we are giving the extension for only back to back angle. Now again select this member and pick the member first, then pick the reference point, and similarly you can also put this connection here. Sometimes we need to define the different orientation UCS to create a connection in an inclined vertical brace, but here it's taking this twin profile is a little bit different from the previous one. Here we are using the star angle, so we need to edit this connection. As you can see here, this one is our star angle. So we are going to reduce the height of this plate. Generally we are providing this dimension to create easily welding between this member. Here we put 10 millimeter in the positive direction, so the plate size is reduced. Here we going to create a 3 different points and copy this connection and move to the first position, then again copy this previous one and place to the other 2 points. You can also move with the new connection also. For sharp profile, generally we are using the zigzag or up and down position for this twin plate. It provides the better strength for this twin member. If you go with the put the bolting in this twin profile, here you can also make it. By default we are using the bolt sizes at 12 mm bolt standard. You can define here. We are taking the reference as a middle in the vertical and horizontal dimension, and number of bolt we are put here in one in the horizontal, and we need to also put one in the vertical direction, so the bolt will be displayed. Here you can see one bolt is created in the middle of this plate. If you put 2, then you can see here 2 different bolt of same size. This one is at 20 mm and the component shows yellow color. It means that they are having some issue regarding this connection. Maybe it's clashing with the root radius of this member. You can see here. Just simply shift and right click and show with the exact line. Then you can see the clashing. So here we need to go through either one, or we need to move down the distance of this bolt from the top of the steel. If we put one bolt, then you can see here it's more clear. So this is all about the twin profile connection 1046 or 1026 in a Tekla structure. Friends, if you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you're coming in the first time in our video. And for more video, you can go through the channel and find the different tutorial for the Tekla structure. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.